Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this bubble stitch. We are going to knit the pattern with the needle. What we are going to use for a start, you can use any kind of ribs or any pattern for a start. In this case I used that pattern. Maybe at the end of the video I'm going to show you how to make this, but let's start with make a pattern. For the pattern we need to have multiple of 4 plus 2, and there are going to be 4 rows repeat. What we have to do for setup row, we are going to just pull all stitches. This is the setup row, and also going to be repeat this one in the right side of the knitting, because all stitches it has to be pulled in row 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and it means in even rows we are going to just pull all stitches. The pattern starts from the right side of the work. Let's get start the pattern. Now we are in row 1. What we have to do in row 1, we are going to take the first one and start by make this one 2, 3. It means that I'm going to knit 1, yarn over, and then knit again. It means I made 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to pull these 3 stitches together like that, and I repeat. It means I make 1, 2, 3, and I pull 3 stitches together. Let's do it one more time. Knit, yarn over, knit, then pull these 3 stitches together. It has to be repeat until the end of the row, and I'll be back. I already finished the row 1. As you can see, the first bubble appear here, and I told you in row 2 or even row, just we are going to pull all the stitches like that until the end of the row. I already finished row 2. Now as you can see here, I have the bubble here. For the next row, the bubble should come the one in the middle of the bubble. What we have to do, we are going to change the position of the pattern. It means that I'm going to change the one. I already made it in 3. Now it's time to make it in 1. What we have to do, we are going to take all these 3 stitches and pull together. When it comes to that one, that is only 1, I'm going to make it in 3. Knit, yarn over, knit again, and repeat this pattern until the end of the row. And for the next row, as I told you, it has to pull all stitches. I'm going to finish these 2 rows and I'll be back. As you can see here, the bubble now comes between these 2 bubbles. If we pull this row, and then for the next row, it means row 5, you have to again start the pattern like row 1. If you repeat these 4 rows, we are going to have a bubble like that. This is really nice and can be used for any kind of project. This is front side and back side of the pattern. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, but now I'm going to show you how you can make that one like a start for edge to make it for any other project you like. What we have to do for this pattern, we are going to start by pull 2, knit 1, pull 2, knit 1, pull 2, knit 1 until the end of the row. I always have one extra in front and back side because it gives us a nice edge here. Now what we have to do after we knit 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, because we need at least 3 rows, we are going to just pull these two. When it comes in the first one of knitting, before I knit that one, I'm going to insert my hook in the third loops on the next knitted stitch. So I said 1, 2, 3. I insert my hook here and grab the yarn like that. I put it back again in my left needle, and then I'm going to knit these two together. Then I pull 2 stitches. Again, when it comes to that part, before I knit it, I'm going to insert my hook in the third one, 1, 2, 3, grab the yarn, take it back in the needle, and then this one and the one behind we are going to knit together, then pull 2. Let's do it again. This pattern is really nice, give you the start like edge like this. So when it comes to that one, I insert my hook here again, knit these together, knit 2, and the last one, 1, 2, 3. If it's not easy for you to take the yarn with the needle, you can use hook. And then just we knit these 2 and the edge like that. Then you can, after that, you can start your pattern, whatever it is. But if you start, for example, to make just normal row like this, maybe for example just pull all stitch and knit all stitch, it's gonna be really nice start, and it can be considered as a rib or edge for your project. Just let me finish this row to show you how it looks like. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and that's it. It's gonna be your edge here. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.